Safari entrance ticket, base camp entrance. Papasok kami dito guys. Ayun na. Okay. Welcome to Blue Status. Hello sila. Let's go. Wow.
Aray. May kuanong kat.
Ay sige ko na kung wala bio iyo pa.
Oh.
Dugay malubat kinalimot ko bala sa extra.
Ben kontra, wala lain kontra. Nana ra ba?
Hello guys, what's up?
Oh. Voice over na Ben. Sa dulong din yan ni guys sa zoo.
Jurassic. Agay. Lovebirds mo dara, lovebird.
Ano sila guys, nagulat sila og kining pagkaon. Ikaw, hi bes. Hi bes.
Dito ka pa.
Ano lang, wala ko man.
Surat daw kanina.
Kangaroo guys. Natutulog ang kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Tuan ka na.
Kangaroo guys. Kangaroo. Yung baby kangaroo. Baby kangaroo.
Guys, mga mi sa Monkey Zone. Padulong nami. Kini oh, ara guys oh, unggoy dako kayo.
Napay duyan sa unggoy oh.
Kon man sa no kanang
Tambo kay mga unggoy pa.
tag-as kayo ba? Hiniktan lang ang unggoy, adi day. Hiniktan day. Ah, di gid hiniktan. Wow. Ano palong?
Oy, dahil yung palente yo.
Unggoy. Monkey Zone. Kol, saka daw kol ingon sa unggoy. Ano ko na, dili may pwede mo saka dira.
Yeah,
Manak-
paon ka, manumbag.
Na madakpan mi dira. Ara ko lo.
Manumbag ay.
Unahin sa problema.
Ma.
Napay unggoy dito na. Tawakol.
Bay.
Na.
Mano ito, manoy.
Araw. Nadali na. Kon ilubat eh. Hey guys. Nanami diri sa Bird Zone no? Bird Island.
Bird show.
Bird show. Guys, pag nanami diri sa bird show.
After sa kwan, sa kalang.
First time na mo monitor eh.
Oh,
Good. First time monitor eh. First time narinig mo lang to bird show.
panlay mo to nga bird tong. Bird show. Welcome to the Bird Show Island.
Alright, now to make sure you're all set and ready. University of Cebu Safari. Now, last one is a whistle. Now, I think Lani and Ruby loves to sing. Is it true, Miss Donna?
Yes, but in order to sing, they have to do what all singers do. They have to warm up first.
Alright, now let's do the warm up. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Now, for our first song. Whoa, whoa, I love you more than. Again. Whoa, whoa, I love you more than I. Now, for our next song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Again. Last one. See how talented parrots are? They can mimic sound so well because their brains are super smart. So Brahmani Kaya here the real world reflection of Garuda, a guardian figure that symbolizes power, protection, and divine guidance in various cultures. They have a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and the rest of its color are striking chestnut brown. But wait, there's more! Here comes the brother of Shadow, Cloud! So formerly known as red-backed sea eagle in Australia, but locally known here in the Philippines as Balok in Visaya and Lawit in Tagalog. So these are the birds of prey can be found in Australia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Pakistan. So they are excellent at gliding, soaring, and... But wait, there's more! Here comes the partner of silver, Marina! So white-banded sea eagle, also known as the the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the sea. It has a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. The scientific name for this bird is Helianthus leucocaster. This bird can grow up to 75 to 85 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. And harmony. Now, my name is Saxon. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the run. Now, if you want to take pictures of our photographers, kindly form a line here at the center. We have your official photographers that you do. And for those of you to white lions,
Welcome to the African Savannah. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated while the tram is moving. Secure your hold on the groundwork and avoid using flash photography and self-display. And lastly, please don't try to reach out our animals. So here inside, we have 7 species of antelopes and our highlight, the zebras. Let's start with Kanding ang mahalon na gaya ng lesbak. A reddish brown in color with white markings on its face. Pwede nang kumarong nasa left side. That white markings that serves as their built-in sunscreen. They can survive under the heat of the sun because of that built-in sunscreen. And yung color gray, those are wildebeest. A large antelope with a gray coat and black mane on its face. And if you are familiar with the movie Lion King, they are the same species who accidentally killed Mufasa during stunting. And they are also known as the clown of the savannah because of its unusual dance moves to attract female during mating season. And katong taas of sungay, that is gemsbok or oryx gazelle, or Madam Gazelle of the series Peppa Pig. They are known for their long and straight horn, where it can grow up to 33 inches. And they can survive without drinking water for a month or even a year. That's because they will just depend on the moisture of a plant that they consume. Once again, lesbok markings on its face. Pwede na kumarong nasa left side. Because of that built-in sunscreen. In yung color gray, those are wildebeest. A large antelope with a gray coat and black mane on its face. And they zebra. They are black in color with white stripes. And their stripes are unique just like our fingerprints. There's no blue zebras that has the same pattern. And they can sleep while standing with open eyes. Blue zebras that has the same pattern. And they can sleep while standing with open eyes. A large antelope that is gray to reddish brown in color with white circular ring on its rump. And they have that stinky smell. And the older they get, the stinkier they become. And the stinkier the male is, the more attracted they are to the female. So pabanguay ni Biria. Only males are born while females don't have. The other ones there with the long they get, the stinkier they become. And the stinkier the male is, the more attracted they are to the female. So pabanguay ni Biria. Only males are born while females don't have. That is impala, a medium-sized of antelope that is brown in color with sleeve legs. Despite of their 60 legs, they are considered as the free runners and fantastic jumpers of the savannah. Of course, they can run up to 90 solid color with slim legs. Despite of their 60 legs, they are considered as the fleet runners.
Pagod na. Pagod si Leon.
Ang ulo.
Tortoise na eh. Tortoise.
Aray. Ring ba no?
Ang lifespan.
Patas man.
Mura man si Orange.
Padala
Na ni kano stroller.
Mawag sila ron. Saro di sila masumhan. Masumhan ni sila ron. Yo, first time ko makita ng giraffe. Ay, zebra? Giraffe. Diba? Kaya dagpo ako.
Ako ay kuan.
Yo. Butang sana Plukoy. Butang sana. Zebra. Come here, zebra. Yo, what's up? Yo, zebra, what's up? Come here. Zoom. Plukoy, zebra, what's up? Plukoy.
Zebra.
What's up? Hey. What's up?
Hey.
What's up?
Okay, picture.
Si giraffe, giraffe.
Giraffe area.
Asik di yo. First time ko makita ng giraffe yo. Ayos tayo. Tuloy sila kabok. Yo, ano?
Yo. Say yo.
Ano yan yo? Giraffe yo. Zoom yo, zoom. Laga, di ka dako kataas. Okay, di kids na dito kay mami.
Go. Ano yung gaya?
Ang makanimig lang yung tiger. Sayang, layo na kayo.
Aray.
Okay, so for those who are the left side, you can stand up now on this side so you can see the lion on the right side. So by the way, this is our 3 lions, so namely Jack, Max, and Buboy. So they're all siblings and 8 years old, but they're turning 9 this year. So you might be also wondering why they're called white lions, but they're not totally white. That's because they're not albino, so they have the genetic. 1 meal a day lang
Murag si Kiray yun.
hapon na nila hanggang.
So nabawagan na ni.
Wala pa sir. And this one nga
Murag
na-bounce mo kasi Max.
Bundari, Bacterian. Camel. Zoom, camel. Zoom.
After this time, napagawas na mo ang Bactrian camel sa
Camel. Birds of the world na sila. Tara, lantos lang birds of the world. Hala, katagasog ka na eh. Wow.
Flamingo bi.
Hindi ba chinog?
Tikling.
Tikling.
Lihukan do kayo.
Legs ray kwan. Color pink.
The coloring.
Goldfish oh. Hi. Hi, what's up? Hi. Ba, magka eh. Ini sila, anong tawag dito sa kanila? Orange. Orange bird. Di tagi, kinay ko no?
Nakita namang ibang white eh. Arabi na ilan. Tikling bin. Maakba. Hala. Ano? Kanang bird.
Hindi mag-touch siya.
Victoria Clown. Video na yung clown. Kilo daw.
Doon kayo. Dagan kayo sila. Uy, mapisyat ka. Matumban ka. Hawa dra. May patong. Hey, ay hawa ayaw.
Ayaw i-touch.
Yo, what's up?
Ay, agad.
Yeah. Patong-patong ka sa kuha.
Na-attract siya sa kuan. Sa pula.
Libangan ko ni mo. Bawa na tayo ng kalo.
Man ben ka na mukuyog na sa mga ben.
Kuy, tagpadong gawas ha.
Ha?
Kuy, tagpadong gawas. Signa.
Mukuyog na sa mga ben. Napatay. Arabi na batog ben.
Kiliguro siya sa kalo, no? Patong po siya, oh.
Mudra siya.
Ay!
Gikon ka na siya.
Ay!
Ocean Park.
Ocean Park mga isda. Tulog si Binturong. Sino dilipod?
Yung nagago ko eh. Night shift naguna sila.
20 years.
Binturong.
Bye-bye. Tunnel sa sip. Driver.
Si Serix, oh.
Gabay ng barko. Tulong ni sa pan? Lapu-lapu?
Isay.
Is molder na big. Ayo dari. Bulldog. Bulldog. Oy. Unsa man na imong labonon? Outfit chic oh. Outfit chic ready po swimming pool.
Mana, aslusan na akong outside.
Pati jere ben teleskop niya.